Another Saturday morning. I'm running a little bit late today. I got off the plane from Ireland yesterday, just in time for this event. Let's go. October 25th, 2025. Today is the day I just got back from Ireland. I was there for 2 weeks with family, friends. One of my friends, Aaron, and was training at Jungle City MMA in Dublin City. Definitely check that place out if you're ever traveling in Dublin City. So a little bit of a backstory on 3D martial arts. I got the call from Dennis. He's one of the owners over there. It was probably about 4 or 5 months ago maybe. And they let me know that they were moving into a brand new facility and that this was gonna be a state-of-the-art type training facility, which doesn't surprise me. If you know Dennis, he doesn't do anything small. And they've been creating a really great culture over there. I've been following him on social media. Me and Dennis actually used to train together a long time ago, probably about 10 years ago. And I haven't trained with him since, and we all kind of went our own separate ways, did our own things, started our own gyms. I started Jiu-Jitsu Insurance, and then it was just a natural fit. I would start seeing Dennis at different tournaments throughout the Midwest, and we would talk. Hey Chris, heard you're into the insurance thing now. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, let me know if you ever need anything. And sure enough, I got that call just a couple months ago, and Dennis let me know he's moving into a state-of-the-art facility, and they've got all kinds of great amenities and training equipment. So, but not only that, there was a lot of special and specific requests that the landlord had as far as the insurance goes. Also, they had a lot of new tools that they use. So, for example, a retaining wall, the new CGI type mat retaining wall, which is going to be more popular in the years to come, I believe. They have a full MMA cage, which some insurance companies shy away from that, or if they do, they add a ton of premium on, and it just makes it unaffordable for the gym owners to even have an MMA cage. But when you're in the MMA world, it is important that you have the right tools that you can prepare your fighters for, and that's exactly what they wanted to do when they opened up the new facility that we're going into today for the seminar and grand opening party. So I'm really excited to see how it turned out, but I was happy that Dennis gave me a call because I was able very easily to find him the right type of program, and I cannot wait to see how this place turned out. So let's go. I can't wait. Saturday afternoon, nothing like a seminar, and this one's going to be focused on leg locks.
What's up, everybody? My name is Dennis Dombrow. Welcome to the all-new 3D martial arts located in Hanover Park, Illinois. So this is the lobby. We have TV, front desk area, waiting area. This is where we're going to enter in on the mats. All right, so here we have the cage. This is where the MMA training happens. This is our designated striking area over on this side. Over here, the grappling area. We're getting ready for a Nogi seminar with Reilly Bodycomb. So over here we have a pit wall that we constructed to simulate, the pits that are becoming more popular in jiu-jitsu competitions and also, karate combat, things like that. It gives a whole new element to training. Training on a 45-degree angle wall is very different than a vertical wall, which is what you encounter in MMA fighting. So it's a whole new element that you need to train and learn to be proficient in competition. This is our main training area over here. We have this cage. It is very important for our guys that are doing MMA competition, getting used to having walls, around you, so your footwork needs to be proper. Distance management changes when you're in a cage. So back here, this is going to be the men's locker room. And then over here, you can't have a locker room without Ken Shamrock and Dan Sever looking at the change. So today we have a no-gi seminar with Reilly Bodycomb. Reilly is a Sambo champion and a leg lock specialist.
The first version we're gonna do is the most common, like I've done martial arts version, where you put one hand down and you have stretch out the foot on the same side that the hand is down, right? So if I put my left hand down, my left foot's out. And I pull my right foot in, and I lift my hips, and then I extract that lead left. I step over it, and then I stand up. I swing over, rock forward. Realize I can't get up there, I'm gonna end up into a push-up like an asshole. I'm going shoulder, elbow down, pressure that way. It feels like a roll. This doesn't feel like a roll, but I bet I could make you tap that was like, wah, on it, right? So if I'm here and I'm like that, people are gonna, like, they don't want to experience that, right? But it's not exactly what I'm doing, right? If I could do it perfectly. So instead of having this outward crank, which again, I can make him tap with, I'm gonna open this up a little bit, roll my shoulder back, get my elbow down to pull his heel down, so I can then take the energy up. This is the tool that is snapping the ankle, right? This is what has to drop. Anytime I was anywhere near the back of my arm, he got me back because he didn't have to jump the hump of the arm shape. If he creates an extreme angle this way, then I'm gonna fail on the fallback. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be showing him that I'm gonna go back to passing. Here we are. I'm gonna bandage up his ankle. I'm gonna give him as much padding as I can. So you guys can see that the wrist has nothing to do with it, and this is gonna be one of the worst ankle locks you've ever felt. Just so you know, okay?
Martial arts, this is the place to be. Amazing community, amazing atmosphere. Thank you, Dennis and the team. This is an amazing experience, and to do this for the jiu-jitsu community is really appreciated. Thank you for the opportunity today, and we'll see you in the next gym. Let's go.